According to Professor Ralph Ponsonfield, our current market systems have three major weaknesses. The first weakness is the missing of ecological context. The current success model, no matter its business or economic model, does not include our environment. Everything is about increasing growth rates, but we forget about the planet and what our Mother Earth really needs to support us. The second weakness is lots of work which are not accounted. This includes all kinds of work which is invested in serving the others or helping others. For example, parenting, doing the housework, voluntary work, etc. All these work creates important values, but they do not appear in any calculation. The last weakness is inequality. As known, the difference between the richest and the poorest people in the world is strongly increasing, and our current market system intensifies and not helping this problem at all. So, how can we ensure that we are going to create a safe and just space for humanity in our future? According to the Doughnut model of sustainability, the inner circle of the donut represents our social foundation, which means all the basic needs humans should have. For example, clean water, food, or housing. If we fall inside the inner circle, that means people have to suffer because they cannot cover their daily needs. The outer circle represents our ecological ceiling. These boundaries, like climate change, air pollution, or land conversion. If we abuse the use of our resources, or if our environmental pollution is so high that they hurt the planet, that means we are not going to survive. At this moment, we are outside of both boundaries. A model developed by the Stockholm Resilience Center clusters the sustainability development goals in 4 layers: the biosphere, society, economy, and partnerships. The rationale is pretty much straightforward. Without a stable biosphere, it is hard to build a functional society. And without a stable society, how can you build an economy that works for all? And at the end, partnerships are crucial in making everything happen. From macro perspective, we have 3 pillars of sustainability. That includes the planet, people, and profit. By definition, real sustainability can only be achieved when all 3 pillars are satisfied, where everyone should live in a viable, just, and habitable world. The micro perspective of sustainability refers to ESG, which are a set of standards for a company's behavior used by socially conscious investors and consumers in order to screen or to evaluate a company's sustainability efforts. The goal of ESG is to capture all the non-financial risks and opportunities inherent to a company's day-to-day operations. Why business sustainability? A direct answer is business is one of the culprits of sustainability issues in the past. Of course, who creates the problem has to fix it. But there is another much more important reason behind why we need to push for business sustainability. According to the latest survey conducted by Alderman Trust Barometer, respondents have high hopes with regarding the competency of business, which is the ability to deliver on promises, and also the ethical behaviors of business. The survey results shows respondents have much higher trust in business and not in government. But at the same time, the results also shows people want business to do more and not less to address sustainability issues like climate change, gender inequality, workforce reskilling, and reduce poverty. So what businesses need to do to push the sustainability engine? The answer is they need to transform. In the past, for businesses to win, they need to put much of the focus on operational performance improvement. The idea is if you could be efficient and effective in every single corner of your business, together with the right strategy execution plans, then you can win in terms of revenue, profit, or even market share. Nowadays, businesses suddenly find out that running a super efficient day-to-day operation is not sufficient to win customers. They need to transform. Sustainability transformation of business requires a focus on 5 principal areas. First, they need to identify the sustainability topics based on their own company and industry context, and develop end-to-end sustainability strategies. They also need to set specific targets and roadmaps. Next, they need to transform how current business operates to deliver social and environmental impact and make the company more resilient. CEO and leaders need to revise their current business models or shift the portfolio to achieve growth in new areas or even invest in new business. The company must ensure authentic leadership and collaboration on sustainability while maximizing recognition for impact throughout the organization. And lastly, business needs to unlock new business value that related to sustainability and build it as an advantage. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in next lecture.